name is Benjamin Z. Meller, and I am the Managing Director of Alamo Mortgage Holdings. Alamo Mortgage Holdings is a United Kingdom company that offers a corporate income bond denominated in pounds to institutional and high net worth accredited investors. And then we take that money and purchase packages of mortgage notes in the United States. So we buy mortgage debt in Texas in dollars. So we denominate the bond in pounds and then we buy mortgage debt in dollars. Today I'm going to answer the question, are gilt funds good for parking idle money for the short term? So that's the question. Are gilt funds good for parking idle money for the short term? Good question. The answer is no. Gilt funds are not ideal for parking idle money for the short term. Although there are worse places, so it's not exactly a terrible decision, but it's not an optimal decision. The UK pound has for decades lost value against the US dollar. The pound, as it has for decades, will continue to weaken against the dollar. The dollar is going to appreciate against the pound. This trend has been in motion for decades. If you were to look back to the year 1945, one British pound bought $4.03 US. If you went to 1967, one British pound bought $2.40 US. If you went to 1977, one British pound bought $1.82 US. If you went to 2014, one British pound bought $1.56 US. And if you went to the 12th of June 2022, one British pound bought only $1.23 US. The dollar will continue this trend of getting stronger against the pound. The interest rates in the United Kingdom are going to increase over the next few years. Another problem that the United Kingdom is losing value against the US dollar. The Bank of England is now predicting that inflation will hit 11% by the autumn, and the market is pricing in further rate hikes in 2022. The market is predicting that the Bank of England base rate will be above 2.5% by the end of 2023 and possibly as high as 3.3%. This is critical for investors in the global economy we have today, not only for United Kingdom investors. However, investors in the United Kingdom, the example's more clear how damaging it is to see their currency weaken over the decades. The best type of investment is one where you can earn passive income through corporate income bonds. UK gilts simply pay too low and also are investing with a UK company but are not exposed to the decline in value of the pound relative to other currencies such as the dollar. Bond purchasers should not miss out on corporate bonds that are privately held and might pay hundreds of basis points higher rates. Alamo Mortgage Holdings corporate income bond pays hundreds of basis points higher rates than standard UK government bonds. Alamo Mortgage Holdings is a company that sells a UK pound-denominated bond to institutions and accredited high net worth investors, and then purchases packages of dollar-denominated mortgage notes. We also allow an investor to get out of the pound and into the dollar if they're concerned about the pound continuing its decades-long pattern of losing value against the dollar. Not only that, we give bond buyers the option to receive their payments in pounds or in dollars. I hope that helps and wish you good luck with your investing.